In this video, you'll learn how to create a private listing on eBay. This process allows you to keep the identities of buyers and bidders confidential, which is particularly useful for sensitive or high-value items. Begin by logging into your eBay seller account. Once logged in, locate and click the Sell button, which is typically found at the top of the eBay homepage. This action will direct you to the listing creation page where you can start entering details about the item you wish to sell. Next, fill in the product title, select the appropriate category, and provide any essential details related to your item. This information is crucial as it helps potential buyers understand what you are offering. Take a moment to ensure that all details are accurate before moving forward. After entering the item details, look for the option labeled Private Listing during the setup process. This option may be presented as a checkbox or toggle switch. Enabling this feature will ensure that the identities of your buyers and bidders are not visible to other users on the platform. This is an important step if you want to maintain privacy for the transaction. Once you've enabled the private listing option, continue reviewing all the details you've entered. It is vital to ensure everything is correct before publishing. Look for any errors in your listing and make corrections as needed. After confirming that all information is accurate, you can proceed to publish your listing. When the listing goes live, buyers will be able to place bids or purchase your item without their usernames being visible to the public. This added layer of privacy can help create a more secure selling experience. Keep in mind that larger files or additional details may take longer to process, so patience may be required during this stage. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.